As recently we had the Cat 4 test, I thought I'd do a short video on how to access that and a bit of explanation on the whole GL assessments and how to access the results and interpret them. So if you log on to your parent portal and then click View Details, and this will bring you to your child's page, or details page. If you then click on Assessments, keep it to this current year for a moment. I will show you how to access previous years. You go all the way across and make sure the subject selected is GL Assessment Summaries. Leave everything else the same and then simply click Go. This will take you to the mark sheet, which here holds the GL assessment, so you can see that here. For an explanation into these areas, I have produced a document which I've uploaded onto your documents site. But as a quick overview, the Cat 4 verbal is things like reading, writing skills. Independent learners are generally very high in this. They like to read, they like to write lots. Non-verbal is your problem solving. Some people say it's closest to your IQ level. Cat 4 quantitative shows that if you get a high there, you get good in maths and science subjects. And your spatial is your problem solving. So you can see from here that this person needs to improve in certain areas and is doing very well in others. Our job as teachers then is to take this information and tailor our lessons to the needs of each child as best as possible. Now, Cat 4 was done for this year for years 5, 7 and 9. If you wish to access data from a previous year, so if your child is now in year 8 and you want to look into when they're in year 7 and their CAT results, same thing here is just change it to 2017-18. All these will reset. Simply go to your GL assessment summary, which is not on this because they did not do GL last year. This is the year 9 students, so in year 8 they wouldn't have done GL. But select your GL subject summary and then you'll be able to view it. If you want to go and view other things, such as the science or maths scores, for example, from last year, from the GL assessment progress test at the end of the year, simply go to 2017-18. If you come into the column here, you'll be able to see standardized age score. You can use your GL overall Stay 9 as well, and you click this sheet, and below then you'll get to see details of last year's standardized age scores and Stay 9. Again, there's a document which is uploaded which will explain what Stay 9 means and what the standardized age score refers to. So this is just a very short video on how to access these results. There is the document which is being uploaded which explains a little bit more, and we will be using these throughout. Thank you.